Hello again. Today we're going to edit a WordPress storefront theme and the top bar custom HTML widget. So if we go into our dashboard here, we can see I have all these options on the left. We're going to click on Appearance and then click on Widgets, which I already have open. So over on the left-hand side, there's all these different kinds of available widgets. The one we're going to edit is a custom HTML widget. And we're going to find that over here under top bar 1. So top bar 1 says it's custom HTML. All you have to do is click on it to drop down, click on it again, and we're going to go ahead and change our custom HTML. So this says that we're going to get free shipping during the month of March, and we're going to go ahead and change that to April. And then all you have to do is just hit save. So this is what the site currently looks like. It has March. We come over here. We hit save, and then you'll see our top orange bar here on the website that currently says March. Get free shipping during the month of March is going to change to April. And there you have it. That's how you quickly edit and change custom HTML with the widget in WordPress.